how do you become more and more determined and obsessed about your goals? Oh, I love it. I love it. You got to write down your goals often. And I do it all the time. And I actually have all of my goals listed in my calendar on my iPhone, in my Google Gmail calendar, whatever. And I have it repeat every single day forever. And I'll go in and I'll change it every now and then. But, you know, I got to give you a great quote from James Cameron, a wonderful Canadian director, the guy that made Titanic and Avatar. He said, if you set your expectations so high and you fail, you're going to fail above everyone else's expectations. So I want you to set lofty goals, crazy goals, really, really high. And if people that you hang out with think you're crazy, or if they're negative and they try to bring you down, then what I want you to do, cut them off. That's right. Cut everybody out of your life that's negative. And I promise you, you'll be so much more successful. It's kind of like, remember when you were younger, and your parents didn't want you hanging out with certain people. And you're like, WTF, Mom? You know, why the face? They were right. Just think about it in hindsight. Those people were probably bad influences. They knew what was good for you then. So you should know what's good for you now. Cut everybody off in your life that's negative. Everybody, if you can. And I get it, some family members, whatever, you can't, you know. You can pick your friends, but not your family. Cut everybody off in your life that's negative. If you surround yourself with people that are positive, you'll be incredibly successful. It's kind of like in your department at work. If there's that one asshole that works there that's a jerk, that person destroys the entire culture of your team. It makes it not fun to go to work. Makes you want to look for another job. Makes it torturous just to show up to work when they're there. You know what I'm talking about. One bad apple can spoil the whole darn bunch. So cut them off. I want you to hang out with people that also have, you know, very crazy high goals. Hang out with people that have, you know, really, really high expectations of themselves as well. Anybody tries to bring you down, gone. One strike, you're out.